What if I told you one of the best performing ETFs isn't focused on big tech, but on small, undervalued companies with massive growth potential? While most investors chase large cap stocks, some of the biggest returns have historically come from small cap value stocks, and that's exactly where AVUV focuses. So today, let's break down how this ETF works and why many investors are adding it to boost long-term returns. Part 1. What is AVUV? AVUV is an ETF designed to deliver long-term capital appreciation by investing in small-cap U.S. companies that are considered undervalued based on factors like price-to-book ratios, profitability, and earnings. Unlike traditional index ETFs, AVUV uses a rules-based, actively managed approach to target companies with strong fundamentals and higher expected returns, while also aiming to reduce unnecessary risk and costs for investors. Part 2. Key characteristics. AVUV stands for the Avanti's U.S. Small Cap Value ETF, and it uses the Russell 2000 Value Index as a core benchmark. As of this video, it manages around $23.2 billion in assets under management and comes with a moderate expense ratio of about 0.25%. While this is higher than typical index ETFs, it's still reasonable for an actively managed strategy with strong growth potential. The fund also offers a dividend yield of around 1.4%, adding an income component alongside its growth focus. AVUV strategy targets small-cap value stocks, a segment of the market that has historically delivered higher long-term returns, although it can also come with higher volatility. Part 3. Top holdings. AVUV holds hundreds of small-cap companies, with its top positions changing frequently due to its active strategy. Currently, most of its exposure is concentrated in sectors like financial services, consumer cyclical, energy, and industrials. You won't find big names like Apple or Microsoft here. Instead, AVUV focuses on lesser-known companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential, such as Five Below, Ryder System, Viasat, Matson, Avnet, and Macy's. This gives investors exposure to a part of the market that is often overlooked, but full of opportunity. Part 4. Performance. Small-cap value stocks have historically been one of the best-performing asset classes over the long term. Because AVUV specifically targets this segment, it has delivered strong performance since inception, averaging around 15.3% annually, and has been up over 25% in the last year. AVUV tends to perform especially well during periods when value stocks outperform growth stocks. However, it's important to keep in mind that this ETF can be more volatile than large-cap funds. Part 5. Why invest in AVUV? Many investors add AVUV to their portfolios for several key reasons. First, it provides exposure to small-cap value stocks with high growth potential. Second, it adds diversification beyond large-cap and tech-heavy ETFs. And third, it targets factors that have historically delivered higher long-term returns. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into AVUV for the next 30 years, and it continues to deliver average annual returns of 15.3% as it's done since inception, your portfolio could grow to over $2.2 million. If this video helped you understand AVUV, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.